What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and today we're going to start something new. We're going to call it Watch Face Wednesday, where every Wednesday I bring you a new watch face for your Android 2.0 device or Android 1.0 device, so you can take a look at it and see if it's worth your money. And these will range from free, freemium, to paid premium watch faces as well. So let's get into the first one that I really enjoy using on a daily basis. And this one is called TimeGate. This one will run you $1.49. which is really good. I think most watch faces should be under $2. 99 cents is optimal, but what's another 50 cents if you really enjoy it? And this one is by Rich Face Developers, and I just happened to find this one because I actually like most of his watch faces. But taking a look at TimeGate, why I really like it, really attractive design, and I'll get into some of the features right now. So one thing that I do like is you can see you have your phone battery up there, and then you also have your watch battery down here. So it's really nice so you can see exactly what your battery levels are without having to take out your phone. And then you also have your steps on the side here. And then if you click on it, you'll see there's also a graph to show you how your steps have been going. And then you have your time that you've been active, and it'll also show you there. And then you also have your miles, and all of this is customizable, which I'll get into. And then on this side, you can see you can set your actions. So this one is set to running. So these are all customizable, and this will show you your calories there. So it's based on what you set your goals to be. And then you have steps, so I'm at 95%, walking 293% of my walking goal for the day. Running goal, I'm at 0 right now. And then you can just cycle through it. Distance, I'm at 36, and all of this you can customize within the app. And let's get into that right now. But I also want to show you the always on display, and it'll look like that. And you also have options to change that. So while we're in the always on display, let's go into our app. And then let's just change the always on display. We can change it to full ambient. So that's what it'll look like when your screen is off. And then when you turn your screen on, it just becomes a little brighter. Of course, doing full ambient will decrease your battery life, but that's up to you what you want your watch face to look like. And you can change it from 24-hour to 12-hour settings. You can have a translucent peak card, meaning if you get a notification, it won't block the entire screen. Or you have a small peak card as well. And then you can put a leading 0. That's basically for your 24-hour option if you do have it, and your screen on time. So let's increase that to 60 seconds just for this video. And then you can also change all your options here from your background color. So if we want to make that blue and accept, you can see that it's changed those colors to blue. I'll show you another one. We change it to yellow. It changes right there. And then you can also do the same for your ambient. So let's say I want to make my ambient color a little different than when the screen is on. This way I can just tell exactly if my screen is on or if I'm on ambient. And you can see the color changed as well. Then you also have additional settings here. You can change your preset colors on tap. So if you tap the screen in a certain place, it will change your colors if you want it to. And then you can show a tap indicator, which basically just shows where you've been tapping on the screen. We really don't need that. And then, as I mentioned right here, you can change your indicators on the left side. So top indicator right now I have steps, but if I wanted to change that to calories, it'll change and it'll show me how many calories I've burned. And you can change the walking, you can change that to running if you wanted, but I'm gonna leave it at that, calories and steps. And then of course it integrates with Google Fit. So everything is based on your Google Fit activity. And then this is where you can change all your goals. If you have a walking goal every day, running, biking, distance, and calories, you can change all of these based on whatever your goals are. And then of course, if you have a problem syncing with your watch, you just send your data over right now. And for weather options, I like that the weather is displayed as well on the top of the watch face. You can change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius if you want. So for those of you that prefer Celsius, it changes right away. And then you also have two options for where you get your weather from, Open Weather Map or Yahoo. And then you can change your weather update time. So if you increase this, you will save battery life, but it really doesn't take that much battery to refresh your weather. So if you really want to know what the weather's like every 30 minutes, you can do so. I just leave mine on hourly. That's just because that's enough time for weather to change. And that's really it. So I hope you like this watch face. Again, it's called TimeGate, and it's $1.49 in the Play Store. I'll leave a description in the link below. And I'll see you next Wednesday with another watch face, guys. Talk to you later. Peace.